Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove the sunroof on a 2000 to 2006 Chevrolet Suburban. I'm removing it so I can get the shade out of here to have it reupholstered. So up in the track here, there are two screws that are probably hard to see on camera. There's one, and there's the other. And you got to take those two screws loose. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already done the other side, as you've seen. And now we're going to do this side. There's one screw. Alright, there's all four screws. Now, I'm just going to push that back a little bit. And I'm just going to lift the sunroof straight up. Alright, now we've just got it sitting on the roof of the car, and now we will remove the actual shade. Ow. There we go. Alright, so I watched some guides on YouTube on how to do this before attempting it, and this sunroof is actually different than the ones I'd seen in the video. So the ones I'd seen, the sunroof had these little clips that you could bend in and remove it from the track. This one does not have clips. It actually has little sliders here in the behind the headliner. So basically what I had to do was slide the whole thing so it was forward in the track. And then I had to use my hand, and I put my hand here and I put my hand there, and I just flex the sunroof to bend it and make the two corners move towards each other. And I just pulled up on it and let the sunroof bend, and then that side popped out. And then this side popped out pretty easy once that side was out. And then I pulled it forward, and it actually started hitting the sunroof shade stopper right here, which is what makes the sunroof shade slide in and out with the glass. And the way I tackled that was I just put a screwdriver between the sunroof and the guard here on the corner. And this guard is as you can see, it's not a super strong system here. So I just flexed it up a little bit and pulled on the headliner, and this is where it normally stops it, and it slid out from underneath it. Nothing broke, nothing was permanently bent, nothing at all. It just takes a little bit of wiggling and flexing of the actual sunshade to get it out. So with it out, I'm now going to reinstall the glass and take this to the upholstery shop. Now what's important here is that we get the glass lined up like it was before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this corner, and I'm going to lift the glass up from the inside so that it lines up with the roof like it was prior to me taking it out. And then I'm going to tighten down the screw in there in this position. And just to demonstrate that the sunroof still works, and there we go. Now the sunshade is out. We can put it back in once it gets reupholstered, and the sunroof is still functional and will block out rain and everything else.